Hello! In this video I wanted to share with you my effort to always build an even always lighter and lighter TinyWhoop. So I'm very proud of this one. I think I achieved a world new record with it, and most importantly it's running Betaflight and has an F3 flight controller. So it's a lot stronger, it has decent offsets also, and it has a new Nubidron Gold motor, so 19,700 kV. So to do this, I use the Betaflight, a Beta FPV frame. I use new Nubidron motors. I soldered directly the motor to the flight controller to save some weight. I removed the socket. And most importantly, I used this King Kong flight controller, which includes the VTX. So this allows to be ultralight, and I did a DSM receiver for the remote controller. I took just the lightest I found, so it's a DSM-2. I use it with my Taranis and 4-in-1 module. And for the camera, I simply put the lightest camera that I found. Everything is in the description below. And I let you enjoy a little bit of footage. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.